about etiquette. My bullet post was about etiquette, where I focus more on etiquette in blogs, email, social networking site. But in the PPT, I am going to talk more about core rules of etiquette, because the core rules are followed everywhere or in every form of online communication. So what is etiquette? Etiquette is also means internet etiquette. It's a set of social convention rule for correct behavior on the internet. And why you need to know about etiquette? Our behavior on the internet is a representation of who we are. A person who displays proper etiquette not only feel good about himself, but he also make other people feel important and respected. I can give you an example of my real life. I made a friend, online friend, 8 months before, and we never met, but he invested 13,000 rupees in my startup. And last month I met him, and he introduces me to about 10 people who were from a forum, and they don't know each other real names, but they just he introduced me through their username, like he's Hamri God, he's Hacker for Life, and it was a good time with them.
You said he gave you 30,000.
13,000 rupees for my startup. For my startup. The next rule is behave. The first rule is remember the woman, and it is the golden rule of etiquette. And when you are communicating online, electronically, you don't have the opportunity to show your gesture, express your feeling. They are just only a written word which you have, and they can be easily misinterpreted. So, touch before sending and posting. Would you say it to the person's face? If not, reword and reread it. Typing in capital letters indicate that you are shorting, and they are also hard to read. So avoid typing in capital letters. And words are written, they may come back to you. And the words, every form of online communication are saved. Your email may be saved, your threads are saved. So just be aware of what you write, because that can be saved and haunt you back. Behave online as you do in real life. Standard of behavior may be different in some area of cyberspace, but they are not lower than in your real life. Do your best to act within the laws of society in cyberspace. Be ethical. If you ever face an ethical dilemma in cyberspace, just follow the same code as you follow in your real life. It's okay to post a message from someone else, but do give credit to the person who was the owner of the message. And breaking the law is a bad etiquette as it's in the real life also. Know where you are in cyberspace. Etiquette varies from domain to domain. It's different in social networking sites. It's different for blogs. If you are chatting with friends in Facebook, you may type in capital letter. But when you are emailing someone from LinkedIn, just don't write in capital letter, because the other person may feel that you are shouting at him. And LinkedIn is a professional networking, social networking site. Love before you leave. This means that you should first, before posting anything, you should first gather information about the website or the discussion which is going on, and then you should post a thread or ask people about it. Respect other people's time and bandwidth. Bandwidth is the amount of data that can be passed along a communication channel in a given period of time, and ensure that the people spend reading your information isn't wasted. You may have seen in Facebook or some area that people write stories of his friend accident, but at the end they say that just chill, it's a joke. And you may find also that people comment on that thread that you have wasted 20 seconds of my life, you have wasted 30 seconds of my life. Before copying people on your message, ask yourself if they really need to know. You got an email that of a joke, and you want to forward it to other people. Just think before forwarding that it may not be may not be of interest to most people. It's never okay to scroll a chat screen. Scrolling a chat screen means that you send a letter and hit again send. Like you write hi and hit send again. And it's a bad activity. Make yourself look good online. Don't post plain way. You will be judged on the quality of your writing, spelling and grammar don't count. And know what you are talking about and make sense. Share expert knowledge. The internet was created for sharing information. You may found in some forum that the user made a thread which contain links of other thread in the same forum. So it help you save time, like if you are searching for photography lecture, Photoshop lecture, and all the best lecture on the forum where in the same thread, it saves your time. Many people do that and it's a good network. So share expert knowledge. Help keep flame war under control. Flaming is what people do when they express strongly held opinion without any emotions. Like you do a prank with friend, you make fun of your friend, but it's bad etiquette on the internet. Flame war are forbidden on internet. You may ban for it also in forum. Respect other people's privacy. You will not look through a co-worker desk. Don't look through other personal email. And there is an incident also. It's in the Airbnb.com, and it says that there is a man who looks through co-worker email, and the company they set up a sting operation, and they send a false email. The person, the victim, read it, and he told it to the other person. So he was caught and he was fired from the job. Be forgiving of other people's mistakes. Everyone was a beginner or a network user. If someone posted about something you want to know, just don't go and post it that you have Google to search for it. If you know it, then answer. If you don't know, just leave it. Pointing out etiquette violation are often example of poor etiquette. And think twice before pointing out mistake and do it privately and quietly. If you think that a person made a mistake, just don't go and comment in his thread. There is a private message option in forums or blogs. Just do that. Give him a private message that you have made a mistake here. Don't abuse your power. Knowing more than others or having more power than they do does not give you the right to take advantage of. Like if you are a webmaster, you have the access to private message of all the members. And if your site security is not so good, you have even the password stored in that. So don't just look at the password or don't just look at the private message section. It's a bad etiquette. And if you know that you know about etiquette, just you can give a quiz at albion.com/netiquette.html. This is made in Java. It's very nice. Just test yourself about etiquette. The upper one is cyberacademy.com, and this is made in Flash and it's also very good. You can test yourself about etiquette.
You gave an example of something within 13,000. But generally we hear from media newspapers that this is being misused.
So in a forum, they are like trusted people. If you can see their reputation there. He had 2,000 reputation. So he had done 2,000 deals in there. So I trust him. Earlier it was that I want a mobile phone to be sent from USA. I trust him. I send it with 50% of the money.